Here's a 2018 Audi SQ5. With the spacious interior and supercharged performance, this SQ5 really hauls. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Intercooled turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, and integrated navigation system. Road and Track reports, the best part about the SQ5 is that it really shrinks around you as you drive it hard. The whole experience feels very solid, taut, and controlled, with little roll and little sense you're in a crossover. It feels more like a large, hot hatch. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.